Hello guys, so this is Assassin. I'm gonna play Assassin, and I'm just doing a video. I got interrupted by a freaking grenadic for a viper. It'd be crazy life actually. Yeah. Okay. I'm just waiting to accept this thing. If he accepts, like, it's crazy. He's probably not. Oh my! Why am I getting traded because of someone? Okay. No. Stop trading me. Trading trades off. I feel bad. I wish I could win them. No. Yes. Like, yeah, like, what you trying to say? Bro, I want it. Go. Do you want? I've never seen a girl in the Michigan say like, I don't know. Still just things I do that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, don't worry about it. Let us trade to catch up. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Okay. I had that goal. I think it was 100%. Hopefully. No one has one. Huh? Is there noise? Huh? No one's one, bro. It's the best one. Okay. Oh, I'm back. I'm sorry. I have to go shot. I forgot my crap. Holy crap. Okay. Bro, I just fell down with the bed. Yes, shut up. No. It's a. Come on, target. Come here. Huh? What are we doing? I hate this more. I hate it. I'm sorry. Oh god. God, this is the longest weapon in the game. Yeah, I got it. Where's this wall camp? I like the knife. I don't like the gun. I like the knife. And I wonder. And I'm not. Whoa! 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 She wants that. Oh my god! These Roblox keys, that's so weird. If Chase didn't make that trend, we got 56 minutes going. Yo! How are you level 40? Who? Am I tripping? Guys, a Corona, a Vampire's Edge, level 10 beam to Bro Master Portal. No way. A Corona cookie game? Oh, is that you? I think I'm good. Come here. Oh, sorry. You're walking. Yeah, this is my wall camping. Bro's so scared. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. Wait, she's just asking for it. Oh! I can't do this. Guys, play this game. I'm joking, bro. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next one.